Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Revitalize your kitchen space with a splash of creativity through our collection titled Innovative Kitchen Wall Paint Color Shade Ideas. This colorful curated showcase goes beyond the conventional, offering a palette of colors that redefine the heart of your home. Explore a spectrum of hues, tones, and shades that elevate kitchen walls into canvases of innovation and style. From bold accent walls to subtle and sophisticated neutrals, these color ideas cater to diverse tastes and kitchen designs. Witness the transformative power of color as it enhances the natural light, creates visual interest, and sets off mood of culinary creativity. Discover innovative combinations that play with contrast, textures, and finishes, turning your kitchen into a dynamic and visually engaging space. Whether you lean towards vibrant and energetic tones or prefer calming and muted shades, our collection inspire a harmonious blend of color and functionality. Dive into the world of kitchen design, where each wall becomes a canvas for your culinary adventures. Unleash your creativity and infuse the kitchen with vibrancy of innovative paint color shades, turning into a personalized heaven of style and warmth. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.